starting a new topic. In today's lesson, we're going to cover measures in mensuration, where we're going to talk about perimeter of plane shapes. Let's start by perimeter of a rectangle. If you are new on this channel and you haven't subscribed, please subscribe for free and hit the bell icon so that you'll never miss our lessons. Perimeter of a rectangle. Taking a look at this rectangle with 7 centimeters and 3 centimeters, and the length, this is also equal to this side according to the properties of a rectangle. So this is 7 centimeters, and the width is marked. I'm marking it 1, which means that it is also 3 centimeters like this. So the perimeter is the distance around the shape, like this, plus this side plus this final side to give us the perimeter. So which is 3 plus 7 plus 3 plus 7, which is equals to, if you rearrange 3 plus 3 plus 7 plus 7, which is the same as 6 plus 14, which will give us 20 centimeters. But we can also calculate the perimeter of a rectangle by saying perimeter is calculated as 2 times length plus 2 times width, which is equals to perimeter, which is equals to 2 times the length is 7 plus 2 times width, which is 3, which gives us 14 plus 6, which is equals to 20 again. Or else, another way in which we can calculate the perimeter of a rectangle, we can simply say perimeter is equals to 2 times open bracket length plus width. If we add the length and the width and multiply by 2, we simply get the total perimeter. So 2 is equals to, a perimeter is equals to 2 times 7 plus 3, which is equals to 2 times 10, which is equals to 20 centimeters. So you still arrive at the same answer as you compare here, 20 centimeters, 20 centimeters, 20 centimeters. So you choose a method which is appropriate for you. Second example, find the perimeter of the shape below. This is the shape, right? And this side is equal to 7 centimeters, and this side is equal to 3. And this one is marked twice like this, and this is marked twice like this, and this is marked twice like this, as well as this one. Which means all these sides which are marked the same like this, they are equal in length to this side, which is 3 centimeters. So the perimeter of this shape is very simple. We simply add 7 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 is equal to 7 plus 4 times 3, which equals 7 plus 12, which is equal to 19 centimeters. That is the total perimeter of this shape. Moving on to the next example, find the perimeter of a regular octagon whose sides are 2 centimeters along each. A regular octagon, which means that all the sides are equal. And if each side is 2 centimeters like this, it means if it is a regular, all these sides, they are 2 centimeters in long. This one, this one, this one, this one again, and lastly this one, they are all equal to this, which is 2 centimeters. So the perimeter of this regular octagon is simply the same as 8 times 2, which is 16 centimeters. So for regular shapes, you simply multiply the length of one side by the number of sides. That's very simple. So go ahead, boys and girls, and answer the exercise below. Can you invite your friends to join Mugombi Online School? You can join by visiting our website, mugombionlineschool.com. For any assistance, you can contact the help desk, SMS, or call these numbers. Thank you.